My name is Norma Tobias. I'm a registered nurse and I'm assigned to Palmer Elementary. So one of the new recommendations we all need to be following is using a face mask when we step out of our house. Here's how you can do your own face mask from items you might have at home. Whether it's an old t-shirt, an old pillowcase, or a bandana. You'll need 2 rubber bands also, and you might need the scissors. I'm going to use the bandana, and just so that you have an idea, the bandana is about 20 by 20. So first, you lay your bandana. You're going to fold your bandana. You're going to grab the 2 bottom edges and pull them to the middle, like this. You do the same thing with the top. You grab the 2 top edges, fold it to the middle. Perfect. And then you're going to do the same step again. 2 bottom edges to the middle. Top edges to the middle. There you go. You grab your rubber bands. You're going to put your rubber band on one of the ends here. You do the same thing to the other end. When you have your rubber bands in place, you fold the ends inside. Make it look pretty. And you have yourself a face mask or a face covering. There you go.